Very good morning to all of you. I'm sharing this video with you all so that you can enjoy your summer break along with the learnings of Coursera. We feel proud to share with you that Coursera has offered courses which cost thousands and many thousands of rupees, 10,000, 20,000 rupees for free of cost for our Gurukul Kangdi students. Now I'll be telling you how you can enroll in these courses for free of cost by using your GKV domain email ID. So to proceed with, you will open coursera.org, coursera.org in any web browser, and you will see this type of a screen in front of you. Over there you will click on login, as you can see, and after going to login you will click on continue with Google. After continuing with Google, you will enter your ID of gkv.ac.in. Remember, you have to enter your ID for gkv.ac.in. Like you see, for my ID mayank@gkv.ac.in, it may ask for your password if it is not auto saved. In my case it was auto saved, so it did not ask for the password. In your case it might ask for your password. So over here your roll number by which you have been assigned an email ID by GKV. As a student you are all been given a unique roll number. Your roll number will come over here, and you will see this Gurukul Kangdi Vishwavidyalaya on Coursera, a photograph which confirms that you are accessing the Coursera courses which are available on Coursera for Gurukul Kangdi Vishwavidyalaya exclusively for free of cost. Over here you can see the logo of the university. So when you will search over here without changing it, fix it to this logo only, then the courses which will come will be the courses for which are available to you for free of cost. If you will change this, then all the courses will come which are available free of cost or which may not be available for free of cost. So do not change this. Then type any topic. For example, if I write data analysis, then it will search for us different courses which are there with the name of data analysis. Now how to choose that which course you have to do? If you are in very first year and you do not know anything about the topic which you wish to learn, there are different fields in which you may be willing to enroll. For example, data analysis, machine learning, even in programming in C and programming in C, data structures. So if you are a beginner, it is given over here that this course is for beginner. If you have already learned something and you are in the mixed state, then it says that it is for those who know at least mixed, and there are also for those who know it for intermediate level or those who are at experienced level. So over here, like it says, advanced level. So advanced level means you already know about this course and your basics are clear. So depending upon your ability, you can choose a course. For example, if I click on big data analysis, after clicking on this course, it will show me what are the contents of the course. So click on show all and go through the contents of the course very carefully, that how much weak course it is and what are the points which are covered. Go through the reviews also, that what are the reviews of other persons. After going through these things, you search from 3-4 different courses, and at a time you can only enroll one course. You see it is written you may take one course. This year Coursera has made this restriction that our students can take one course at a time. After finishing this course you can take another course, but at a time you can take only one course. So if you are final that you have to take this course, then you will click on enroll. I am not clicking on enroll, otherwise in my ID this course would be enrolled. After clicking on enroll, the course is enrolled and you will be able to view the courses in your section. If you go to the home page of your courses, you will see the courses over here, my courses, and at present I have not enrolled any courses. I have completed 3-4 courses already, So at present there are no courses which I have currently enrolled. You will see in my courses that these are the courses you have enrolled. Only one course will be visible, and you will click on a start and start learning in an online mode and submit the assignment, then give evaluation. After giving the evaluation, a certificate having your name will come at your email ID, and it will also be visible over here. For example, if I show you that my certificates on accomplishments, it will show the certificates which I have got from Coursera. Like, see, these are the courses which I have done from Coursera, and these are the certificates which I have got from Coursera. So in the same way you will get your certificates, and it will show that how much marks you have scored. For example, it shows that these are the marks I have scored on different courses on Coursera, and this thing will improve your employability. This thing will improve your chances to secure good marks in your subjects, and it would help you in your engineering. So utilize your summer break in enrolling on this course and learning more and more and increasing your knowledge. Thank you.